Shopify has made marketing easy, and Mihaela, product manager here at Videowise, explains how. She states that Shopify has a vast app store that integrates third-party marketing tools, which allows marketers to leverage the latest marketing technologies to upgrade their campaigns. This makes it easier to track customer behavior, analyze data, and optimize campaigns. Let's look at 3 Shopify marketing tips to help you boost e-commerce sales. First, implement shoppable videos. Shoppable videos combine the power of visual storytelling with commerce, which means that viewers can make a purchase directly from the video without the need of further navigation or browsing. Second, use a blog as a promotional tool. When writing your content, you've likely already taken measures to make it SEO friendly and give your audience genuine advice. It can be taken further and used as a channel to increase visibility and drive sales without breaking the bank. Third, apply Shopify-centered site optimization techniques. Remove any unnecessary redirect loops that break the flow of your customers' shopping experiences and get rid of any Shopify apps that run in the background and slow down your site's speed. When it comes to video, Videowise has ensured that any component you add to your website won't affect page speed load time. Book a demo call with an expert on the Videowise team to learn how you can integrate shoppable videos in your Shopify marketing strategy.